Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time no seen. I am back with another video. I don't know if you like this setup or not, let me know. So basically it's evening right now. It's like midnight. I wanted to film my Q&A, so I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me some questions and I'm gonna answer them today. So I know it's been a long time no seen. I'm sorry, I had shit to figure out. So let's do that. I have them on my MacBook because I'm still filming with my phone. And yeah, so let's check out those questions. I may post them in the video. We will see that. But yeah, so if my internet is with me. So I took screenshots of the questions and thank you guys so much for the people who ask me questions. The people who ask me questions will recognize themselves. So the first, what means beauty to you? That's a very deep question. Basically, beauty is for me, it's complicated because I don't think that makeup defines beauty. Like, you can't be beautiful without makeup. I think beauty is something that's very individual and everyone is beautiful, but everyone is beautiful in their own way. In no way I'm saying that makeup is defining the beauty, but you can enhance your beauty with makeup. That's basically what I think. What is your goal in life? Your life goal? My life goal is simple as that. It's basically to be happy. If I'm happy, then I reach my goal. And that's as simple as that. Where will your next trip be? That's a good question. Let's say I would love to travel anywhere. Like, I'm open to everything. Excuse me if I look tired in this video. I just noticed. But no, I would love to go anywhere. Really, like I don't have like a specific country where I'm saying we have to go there or blah blah blah. I just want to go somewhere. Like, I'm open to everything. The thing is, it's just like the time and money, of course, but I'm open to any country in the world. But let's say I want to go somewhere where there is sun. I need sun. What body part do you like the most of yourself? Does my hair count as a body part? I don't know, I would say my face. I like my face because let's say the rest of my body, I don't like it as much at the moment because I lost weight due to not health reasons, but let's say I don't eat when I'm stressed out, so I lost weight because of that and I need to gain weight. So yeah, this is why I'm just saying now my face. But I'm like, not that I'm not confident, like, don't get me wrong, I love myself the way I am. It's just I could look better if I would eat more. What hairstyle do you want for next? I need to re-dye my hair, let's say, and I'm not gonna cut it because I need to grow my curls. But let's just say I need to dye my hair blonde again, like the roots, and I may straighten my hair again. So yeah. I got also questions in Luxembourgish, but I'm gonna translate that. What is your goal in 2019, in 5 years, in 10 years? So basically my goal in 2019 is, as I said, my goal in life is to be happy. So in 2019 I want to be happy by doing the stuff that I love. Of course, YouTube I want to grow, but for that I need to post, so this is why I'm posting this. Just be happy in life, find the happiness in life, that my family and friends are healthy and alive, and yeah. For 5 years, my goal in 5 years, do we say that? My goal in 5 years? For 5 years? My goal in 5 years, I stopped thinking about the future because you can't plan your life. Like, you can have ideas, but you can't plan your life. You can say in 5 years, you can have an idea, but there is no promise that it will happen. Sorry if I touch my hair, it's just because I don't like the way it looks, but you can't just be sure it will happen. This is a life lesson. So I don't know where I will be in 5 or 10 years, but I just know that I'm at the university. I'm studying biology now. I want to study cosmetic industry and have my own makeup brand, have my own lab and do my own makeup. Some of you may say you have to study chemistry for that, but you kind of need biology, since makeup is plant-based. You need to have a knowledge like about the plants and stuff. This is my goal in 5 to 10 years. Another question about my lashes. If I do my lashes or if they're naturally so long. I have mascara on right now, but those are my natural lashes. I have never used fake eyelashes before. I don't know how to apply them. I don't see the use of them since I have natural long eyelashes. And I don't do anything for them. I'm sorry like that I can't help you guys. But you can use, how is that called? I'm gonna put that right here. There's an oil you can use to make your hair grow faster, as well as your eyebrows and your lashes. Another question was why I choose the name Beautycurlyqueen and why not another one. Let's just say I wanted to create a beauty related Instagram and YouTube, so this is why I used the word beauty. And I added curly because I have curly hair and this is what defines me. Basically, I am not me without my curls, and even my friends, they define me, they see me as me because I have curly hair. Like, some people call me curly, so this is why I added curly. And then I added beauty because, again, it's like a beauty related channel. So this is how I came up with the name Beautycurlyqueen. And since no one got it, I was happy to use it. How many languages do you speak? I speak Luxembourgish, French, German, English, and Algerian, and a tiny bit of Spanish. So let's say 5. I speak 5 languages fluently. What are my favorite makeup products? I always get this wrong. The Better Than Sex mascara. Is it from Too Faced? This is my absolutely favorite product. I swear about this. And besides that, I use everything. My hair looks so weird. So this mascara is my favorite product, but besides that, I don't have a favorite product. I use all the kind of makeup that I have between high-end makeup and NYX makeup and stuff. So yeah, the Too Faced mascara is the best one. Another question in Luxembourg again. What's my favorite makeup brand? I don't have a favorite makeup brand because I use every brand. Like, I don't buy a product because of the brand. I buy a product because of its purpose. Yeah, because of the product itself. I don't go to Sephora and say I want this brand. I'm just looking at the brands, and also thanks to YouTube reviews, I make my own opinion of the product and I decide to buy it. So I don't really have a makeup brand, but I would say NYX because I have a lot of NYX products. NYX is a nice makeup brand for the price. If you're a student and you can't really afford, let's say, benefit products or Too Faced products, so yeah. Where do I want to go on a vacation? If you can translate that, I just want to go where there is sun. So, next thing, what is your future plan in life? YouTube, marriage, special job? We had that question. So, YouTube, I'm gonna say, let's say about YouTube, I want to grow on YouTube because this is what I like to do, and I would love to be able to have a bigger community to share my future makeup products. So if you guys interested in that, let me know, because I will come out with my own makeup products. But by own, I mean like my self-made products in the lab. Marriage, of course, but for that I need time and someone. Marriage will come. My horoscope, I am Cancer. I am 100% Cancer. I am sensitive AF. I have all the characteristics of a Cancer. Write in the comments down below if you're Cancer, so we can be Cancer friends. Why did I start YouTube? Okay, I also got questions in French. I started YouTube. Hi guys, so I'm sorry that I have to film like this again, but I don't know why my camera decided to die. My phone, let's say. So I'm gonna answer the rest of the questions right now. I hope the light is okay. So basically the video stopped by me explaining why I did start YouTube. I tried to find the footage, but I don't know where it's gone, so I'm sorry for that. So why I started YouTube? So I started YouTube mainly because I wanted to inspire people I wanted to influence people in a positive way. I wanted to help people mainly concerning curly hair routines. And I don't know, I love talking to the camera, so I was like, I want to do this. And I used to film YouTube videos but never post them, and then I was like, just do it, you know, you don't care, just fucking do it. So this is what happened, and this is what I did. So I just adjusted the lighting since I have a window right here and not in front of me. So this is why I started YouTube, because I wanted to influence people. I wanted to share my knowledge with them and all that good stuff. So this is why I mainly started YouTube. What does my workout routine look like? So basically I could upload a workout routine for you guys if you want to. My workout routine is very simple. It's basically upper body and legs, upper body, legs, upper body, legs. I usually start with legs and then upper body. It depends on my form. Since I also do hip-hop, sometimes I just can't go to the gym the day I have hip-hop class because I can't move after that. So yeah, stuff like that. Depending on my mood, I do upper body or legs. But now I'm kind of injured, so it's been a while since I haven't been to the gym, but I will go back to the gym actually today. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a workout routine. I would love to do that. So I hope I answered all of your questions. I will see in the I will cut the video if I forgot anything. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share. Please interact with me. I would love to interact with you guys. If you have any questions, if you want me to do other videos, I think I will get back to makeup tutorials soon. I was really busy with uni and with personal stuff, but everything is okay. You know, every day is a new day. It's a good day. Positivity, spread good vibes. We will get there. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Twitter, Instagram, and that's it. And subscribe, of course. See you guys next time. Bye.